7. We are in selection series for CAIIB and we are in ABM. And today's topic is basically statistics. Statistics, we are solving objective questions on sampling. Very important topic because these topics will cover around 5 to 10 marks. You will have a case study of 5 to 10 marks over here. Okay. So let's start. Before going ahead, here the registration has started. You might be knowing this. Okay, so choose the electives properly. Electives properly in the sense, I would suggest choose that elective where you are comfortable with, in which you are comfortable with. Okay, so use that elective only. Remember, first week you don't have to pay any extra fees for registration. Second week 100 rupees extra. After that week 2 weeks 200 rupees extra, right? So do the registration immediately so that importantly you will get the required center whichever you want. Okay, and choose the elective what is in which you are comfortable with. Okay, so again I'll tell you, registration is going on, do it immediately. The distribution that is formed by all possible values of statistics is known as, means values of statistics means what? Say this, remember there are two things always. Okay, one is population. Okay, population, and second is sample. Okay, always remember this, population and sample. In population, whatever you find, you will find mean, mode, okay, mode, median, okay, median, then standard deviation, anything you find that is called as parameter. Okay, parameter. And the same thing if you find it for sample, it is called as statistic. Okay, so that why I explained you, because you must understand what is the meaning of statistic. Okay, so the distribution of these statistics by all possible values of distribution that is found by all possible values of statistics is called as what? Hypergeometric distribution, normal distribution, sampling distribution, and binomial distribution. So what is the answer? How many of you can give me immediately? Okay, okay, by the time I'll explain you, by the time you answer, I'll explain you what is binomial. Binomial means it has only two answers, either yes or no. Okay, it is repeated multiple times, okay, multiple times it is repeated. Means example, coin. Suppose if I toss the coin 5 times, then what are the chances that I'll be getting 3 heads? This question. So this is the type of binomial distribution. Okay, coin tossed 5 times and getting 3 heads. Okay, that is a binomial. Normal distribution. Normal distribution means this is called as a bell curve. Very important curve in your statistics. Okay, bell curve. This is the center, that is population. This is known as parameter. Okay, and the other part which is there over here, generally on this side or this side, that is known as statistic. Okay, always remember this. So what is the answer is, by the time I have explained you these terms, what is the answer over here? The answer is sampling distribution. Correct, sampling distribution. All that is formed of all possible values of statistics is called as sampling, because statistics relates to sample, isn't it? So that's why sampling. Okay. The difference between statistic and parameter is just now I explained it, isn't it? So the difference here, but the question is not here, is it relating to that sample or is it relating to population, but the question is over here, what is that called as? Non-random sampling, probability, sampling error, or random sampling. So what is that called as? Okay, let me explain you again. Say this is a normal distribution curve, right? This is a normal distribution curve equally on all sides. This is known as population mean, mu we call it, mu. Population mean. Okay, always remember this, population mean. Okay. Number one. And this other part over here is known as statistic X bar we call it generally, X bar. Okay, this is statistic, or you can call it sample mean. Okay, and the difference between these two, this is known as what? That is the question over here. This is known as what? This is known as sampling error. Okay, everyone, this is known as sampling error. Ideally, remember, this X bar and mu should be equal. They should coincide with each other, but this never happens. Why? Because there are certain errors while doing some sampling. Some respondents might not respond properly, so that's why we get this sampling error. Okay, so this is known as sampling error. Means what? Difference between the statistic and the parameter. Got it? Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything you will be getting it. Okay, so download it right now. That's here. Exams are nearing, and you need to study very hard now. Okay. Sample is regarded as a subset of data, set, distribution, population. This is the easiest one. Yeah, you can give me. Sample is regarded as a subset of, see here, if I have to survey, let's say, one full city of which Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. So this full city will be called as what? This will be called as population. Okay, this is called as population. But instead of surveying the full city, okay, what is the population of Mumbai? Roughly what? 2 crores, 3 crores? 3 crores roughly population. Okay, so how can I sample all these 3 crores? What will I do? I'll find some pockets over here, over here, over here, and 4 pockets. Okay, so these are called as samples. Okay, so I'll survey them in various parts of Mumbai. These are called as samples. So what can you see from this figure? Sample is lying within what? Within population. So sample is a subset of what? It is a subset of population, isn't it? Simple, clear? Which of the following is not a type of non-probability sampling? Understand this, non-probability, and we want not. Okay, okay. Firstly, what are non-probability sampling? Quota sampling, it is a part of non-probability. This is non-probability. I'll write it over here. Okay. Convenience sampling, again non-probability. Convenience means as per my convenience I will be doing. Snowball, again non-probability. But stratified random, this is probability. Okay. Probability sampling is of 4 types. Always remember probability. Okay. One is simple random. Simple random. Okay. Simple random. Second is systematic. Systematic. Third is stratified. Stratified. Okay. Yeah, are you able to get this? Okay. And last one is cluster. So these are the 4 types of probability sampling. So that's why stratified becomes a part of probability sampling. Are you with me, everyone? Type yes in the comment section. Are you understanding this? Everyone, type yes in the comment section. Are you getting this? Okay. So the answer is what? Stratified. This is the answer. Not a type of non-probability. Okay. So this is a probability sampling. Before going ahead, everyone, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the latest updates on JIB and CIB. Number 1. Number 2, what will you be getting? Number 2, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. Free means what? Right now, what are you watching? You are watching the free YouTube series on this ABM. Similarly, at 6:30 AM in the morning, I take it for JIB Retail Banking. At 7:30, I take it for what? BFM. Plus others teachers also take it. So you will be getting it for all the subjects. So click on the bell icon immediately. Subscribe to the channel. Okay. Increasing the sample size has the following effect on the sampling error. Now what do you mean by this? Okay, let me take this example. Okay, suppose there are 100 persons. I have to find the answer for this is the population. Okay, there are 100 persons, that is the population. Okay, and what do? I have take sample of 5 sample. Okay, Now the expected answer for 100 population is, let's say, 10. Okay, and by taking the sample of 5, I am getting the answer as 8. Understanding this? Expected answer, what is means I am expecting it is 10. This is called as hypothesis. Okay, and I am getting this answer as 8 using 5 as a sample. Now tell me, if I increase this sample from 5 to, let's say, 100, complete 100, same, all of these 100 I'll sample them. Okay, I'll take all of them as sample. So what will be the answer in that case? If I take this sample, instead of 5, I take full 100, means I'll survey all of them. What will be the answer I'll be getting? Obviously 10, isn't it? Because I'm sampling everyone. So what am I seeing over here? If I go on increasing the sample size, say this, increase. If I go on increasing the sample size, the answer is near to the population mean, means standard error. See this, what is this? Sample mean. What is this? Population mean. What is the difference called as? Just now we saw it, sample error, right? So sample error will go on what? Increasing or decreasing? If I go on increasing the samples, if I take it from 55 to 50, then the answer will be somewhere 9. So it will be near to 10. So it increases the sampling error, it reduces the sampling error, it has no effect on the sampling error, and all of the above. So what is the answer? If I go on increasing the sample size from 5, I have taken to 100. So my answer is exactly what I require. If I take from 5 to 50, my answer will be 9. So it is nearer. As sample size increases, the standard error decreases, or sampling error decreases. Answer is B, isn't it? Which among the following is the benefit of using simple random sampling? The results are always representative. Interviewers can choose the respondents freely. Informants can refuse to participate. We can calculate the accuracy of the results. So what is the answer for this? Benefit of using simple random. Very difficult one. Tricky one, huh? Very tricky. What is the correct answer? What do you think should be the correct answer over here? It is, the results are always representative. Always remember this. Simple random sampling, the sample mean, see here, sample mean statistic, I'll call it. Sample statistic is always equal to parameter, population parameter, okay, in simple random sampling. So that's why the results are always representative. What I get it for statistic or sample, I'll be getting the same results for the population. Okay, so that is the answer. A is the answer, real answer. Okay, got it everyone? Always remember this basic. In simple random sampling, the sampling error is 0. Okay, now let me discuss the batch. This batch has just now started, April 3rd. All the 4 subjects, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. 80% off is going on. Okay, 80% off means, remember, if your fees is whatever 100 rupees, now you have to pay only 20 rupees. If you take MAPAX, you have double validity. Remember, double validity means if you are using this MAPAX for 6 months, you will be using it for 12 months. Use the code Y432. How to use it? I'll show you. Before that, everyone like the video. Click on the bell icon. Everyone do it, please, because that helps the live channel. Buffering is very easy in that case. Okay, so let me show you how to use the code Y432. Go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. Okay, because in the app you are getting 1% extra. Okay, why? Because there is a coin system in apps, so that will give you a better advantage. So I would always suggest you to go through the app. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. See this, here you are on Adda 24/7. Okay, click on the front page, JIB and CIB. See this, you go on the front page, click on JIB and CIB. Look at this, JIB and CIB. Click on CIB 23. Okay, you are here now. Now on, you'll see the batches over here, English, bilingual, English, all these batches. Click on this English batch. Okay, you'll see the details of the batch. Means what are the dates, timings, when was it started, what is the study plans. Here study plans are very important. Study plans will show you how you have to prepare for the exam. Okay, means what is the importance of each subject. So follow the study plans correctly, and we also follow the same in the classes. Okay, so you can read this. Okay, main thing I'll tell you, recorded videos are available 24/7, two-way interactive classes, so you can ask the questions and clarify doubts in the class itself. Okay, now more offers. Click on more offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Look at this, 80% off, 23,999 reduces to 4,799. 80% off you are getting, my god. Okay, 80% off means it's an investment for lifetime. Go for it. In fact, I would suggest go for the Mahapack. In Mahapack you are getting 15 plus batches. See this, I'll show you Mahapack also. See JIB CIB Mahapack on the front page only. Click on JIB CIB, you'll see the JIB CIB Mahapack. Click on CIB ka Mahapack, this Mahapack. See this CIB ka Mahapack. You'll get the details. See this details, 15 plus batches for ABFM, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. Mock tests are available, live ebooks are available, tests are available. So what do you require more? That much is enough, isn't it? Go for it right now. And also let me come to the fees part. Look at this, click on more offers. Okay, click on more offers, put the code Y432, Y432, click on apply. Again look at it, 34,999 reduces to 6,999. Such a huge discount and validity. Look at this, 12 months. So go for this. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and this is an investment for lifetime, isn't it? You must definitely go avail this. So I'll be back tomorrow with another session. Till then, but before going, let me again remind you, see here guys, the registration has started. Otherwise you'll do everything and you'll miss out on the registration. Don't do that. Okay, so registration is very important. This is the base. Otherwise if you study everything and if you don't register, then what's the use? Select the electives properly. The elective should be chosen in which you are comfortable. Never choose the elective which seems to be lucrative. Many of us feel risk department, if I do this risk, I can go into the treasury department. If I do IT, I can go into IT department. Don't do that. Don't select the elective in which stream you wish to go. Select the elective in which you are comfortable. Comfortable, that is important. Okay, where you can definitely clear it. At least 15 marks you can clear it without studying. That is important. So if you can get 15 marks without studying, definitely remaining things you can definitely study and clear it. Okay, so register it right now. Go for the registration. Select the elective correctly. Okay, because if you register it right now, what will happen is the center which you require, you will get that center only. Okay, so let's see tomorrow. Let me see again, I'll meet you tomorrow, but importantly I'll tell you, join the batches because exams are nearing